quiet and peaceful. Just the lapping of the sea on the shore. We've just had a fish supper to treat ourselves, haven't we, boy? In celebration of completing our van. Well, enough for the summer anyway. I'm looking forward to getting it all nice and furnished and getting my things in and make it look homely and comfortable. And get on the road. Yeah. And I feel immensely satisfied. And very peaceful. I feel like I've been waiting for this life, for this lifestyle all of my life. I remember when I was a teenager, I used to dream about living in a hut in the woods. And the teacher and the kids, we had to write an essay about our dream home. And everybody wrote about big houses and swimming pools and games rooms and all that stuff, you know. And I wrote about a little wooden hut in the woods with a little garden and herbs growing and drying above the fire and all that stuff, you know. And then I had another dream about, I don't know if it came before or after, but the next daydream was about travelling the countryside in a gypsy caravan. I think that's a memory. You know, from a different life. I have got Irish in me, and my great-grandparents were Irish, and I wonder if we weren't from a Romany thread. I'm not sure, but it's certainly in me wherever it's come from. It's there. And this is the modern day version, eh? Gypsy J, as one of my friends calls me. And I love it. I feel so fulfilled. Like, I haven't got any wants for anything else, really, you know. I would like to go to different countries and explore, but you know, I feel completely fulfilled with my life now. Less is more. Hey, boy. Less is more. Yeah. Good lad. He's a beautiful boy. Anyway.